I have a bit of a problem. So, yeah. Oh, it's only just. It is only just. But, you know, bulge is bulge. You weren't sitting on that 2 seconds ago. Can I have those later? Right. We'll call it 135. Put my safety egg there. Weather's a bit touch and go today. Thankfully the 100-year-old shed still stands. Don't worry about that. Oh boy, I got a lot going on and I'm waiting on parts. So this is a nice little Philip job, you see. Sorry about the wind. I'll remember to turn it off next time. Some 304. 1mm, maybe 1.2mm stainless steel. The important thing is, so my body panel tool can just pierce it. So I'm going to cut 2 strips at 23mm. I think that's about the maximum I can go. We'll do that a couple more times. I'll spray this with a bit of WD-40. Oh, it's not WD-40, but you know, same. Pretty sure this isn't rated for stainless steel, so a little bit of lubrication is probably not going to hurt. Really not sure what you would normally use to fasten a flare onto a car. I'm going with some wood screws. I'm screwing into the plastic fenders at the end of the day. We'll see how it goes. But to make this go a little bit smoother, I'm going to try and fold this all over and screw this to that so I can just take it over and form it by hand. And anyway, doing this for the first time, we'll see how it works. Let's just try one before I keep going. Yeah. I reckon that looks factory. Well, yeah, it doesn't look factory, but I like that. That actually, I think what I'm trying to say is it doesn't look out of place. Like someone spent 5 minutes on it. I guess my only concern is if these screws come out, they're like, well, my poor tires, or anybody else's tires. Yeah, you know. Do you like my $15 Kmart light? No, I don't either. Oh, I do like that though. Oh yeah. I actually think it really finishes the look, actually. Just simple, sort of, I don't know, it almost frames the wheel arch. It almost felt unfinished now, comparing the two. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so I need more of these, but I think I'd like to go a little bit larger and a little bit longer. And I've got a helper.
Hi.
All right, let's go. Oh. All right. Took the last 3 packets. These are a lot chunkier. I was tempted to get stainless steel, but then I saw the price tag and I was like, we'll go with zinc for now. Trying to keep things on a budget, aren't we?
Yes.
Yes. It's okay. We can deal with that. curved it in just a little bit and brought it out, and now well and truly inside. And here's the key. So I started off with these little guys because they only hold it out a couple of mil. The screw is really too short, but if I started with this one that was too long, the gap that it would hold it off the fender, it'd create problems as I'm trying to screw it down, where the amount that this was poking through, just enough to tack it into position. Now I'm going to replace all of those with these guys, which is that fella. So we're going from 16 mil to 20 mil. This is also a thicker, much more aggressive wood screw, plastic screw. Should really bite in nicely. If your screw gun has a torque setting like this one, I'd recommend using it. It'd be pretty easy to over tighten these screws and then they're practically useless, doing nothing. I've got this one set on 5. I could shake the whole car pulling on those. I actually feel really confident about that. I was a bit iffy at first, but I actually think this is going to hang on there just fine. Obviously I'll monitor these for a while and then completely forget about them. But for the first 10 minutes I'll monitor them and make sure they're not working their way out. So, this is 3mm rubber, by the way. It has reinforcement in it. And that's sort of squishing down nicely, almost working like a spring washer. Looks really good actually. Oof. Yeah. Did this one off camera. I really do like the look of it. It sort of has a, I don't know. It just feels finished. Does that make sense? It's not that it wasn't finished before, but absolutely no tire poke. The wheels turn, so we can't tell, but everything is well and truly covered now. So hopefully that means that if I get pulled over randomly, it's just one less thing to make them be like, I like it. Ah, dear. I don't know why this car makes me smile so much. It's not even like it's my dream car or anything. I don't know. I wasn't even into Pajeros, and then I got this one, and well, yeah, I really like it. It always starts when I need it to. It's not as thirsty as I thought it would be on the fuel, and there are plenty of parts readily available. So yeah, what can I say? I might be becoming a Pajero man. I think I need a sticker, "I used to be cool" or something to put on the back of it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.